Okay, welcome back to our geometry videos. This is number 15 in chapter 7. And so we're getting back into proofs. In this unit we're going to get into a lot of proofs, especially with our quadrilaterals. We're going to prove all the properties of those quadrilaterals. So yay, look forward to that, right? In this case, however, we're sticking with this flowchart proof of showing that these two triangles are either congruent or similar. Just by looking at it, it appears that we're going to show that these two triangles are similar, since it doesn't look like any of the sides match up identically. Okay, so let's fill in some information that maybe isn't given to us, but we know is true. And so I know this value is 8, and I know this value is 5. I know that's because these are Pythagorean triples. These are right triangles, 6, 8, 10, 3, 4, 5. If you perhaps didn't recall those Pythagorean triples, remember that 3, 4, 5 creates a right triangle. You could always use Pythagorean theorem to find A, B, and JH to get 8 and 5. You get the same answer, just take you a little bit longer, more tedious there. So it's kind of a nice shortcut there to remember some of your standard right triangles. So it looks like we have 3 sides of one triangle that we can match up with 3 sides of another triangle, and it appears that there is a perfect 2-to-1 relationship here, right? 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8, 5 times 2 is 10. So in this flowchart, I am going to illustrate that information with these 3 bubbles. So I'm going to say JG is to CB, and that's a ratio of 2 to 1. Then we have GH matches up with BA, which is also a ratio of 2 to 1. And then JH matches up with CA, which is also a ratio of 2 to 1. So we have shown that there are 3 pairs of sides that all match up in the same ratio of 2 to 1. So that is a textbook case of side-side-side similarity. So triangle JGH is similar to triangle CBA. The reason being side-side-side similarity. Okay, if any questions or comments about how we found the sides of those triangles, matched up the ratio between them, or set up the proof of that, feel free to leave a question or comment. Otherwise, you're more than welcome to like, subscribe, or share to our geometry channel.